They're back! Did anybody say mystery treats? What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. If we've never met, hi. Hi, my name's Rochelle and I am a 31 consultant. Now, if 31 and bags are kind of your vibe, well, you make sure you subscribe down below. Did you like that, girls? Give this video a big like because I'm always trying to reach 100 likes on a certain video, and share this info with all your friends and family who love the mystery treats. Ladies, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Lucky Pick mystery event that 31 is having next week. Before we get into all that, girls, now I have to give you the goods for what's happening in April. Don't forget, we have our PS bundles video right here if you want to check out. We also have our Hello Happy that is flying off the shelves video right here. And ladies, don't forget that I have my Easter egg virtual hunt happening right now. You have until tomorrow to claim those 31 eggs down in the comments below. And I got an egg down in the comment waiting for you to claim. And I will be announcing the winner during Bag Babe TV. That's going to be happening this Saturday. Up for grabs is one of my consultant perks. You know, girls, I'm always a giver. You're to get any item in the catalog for 60% off. How fun is that? As always, if this mystery treat or lucky pick event is your thing, don't forget I have my mystery hostess link down below. Get into that link and I am raffling off all of April's rewards. And girls, we already qualified a party. That party ends on the 25th. Not only that, you'll get into Rockstar's giveaway. Ladies, hello, I'm giving away an Amazon gift card for you to spoil yourself or for a loved one or to spoil someone in your life. All right, ladies, this is the deal. You girls went bonkers for the mystery treats in October. Stay tuned for an unboxing because you know your girl is gonna grab them. You can grab one, or like some of you can grab all 4 of them. And I can't wait to hear and see what you girls get. Make sure that you girls let me know what you get, because maybe I can do like a little video montage and to see what y'all get. It's so exciting to see what these mystery treats are. All right, ladies, you ready for the details? Because I know I am ready to give it to you. Ready? This Lucky Pick mystery event starts April 13th, noon. East Coast time, 9 a.m. West Coast time. Mark your calendars, okay, girls? And it will last for 4 days until April 16th. Okay, so that's 4 days of picking and choosing your lucky number that you want to get. There are going to be 4 lucky numbers. Lucky number 1, lucky number 2, lucky number 3, lucky number 4. They're calling this Gumball machine, fortune cookie, 4-leaf clover, and lucky duck. You know 31 likes to have fun with their names. Each number comes from a whole pile. So if you want 4 different mystery bundles, grab one from each number, okay? If you grab, let's say, 4 of number 1s, chances are you may or you may not get the same item. Hence the word mystery event. But if you want to increase your chances of getting something different, make sure you pick different numbers, okay? Yes, these totally qualify you for your customer special. Ladies, if you don't know what the customer special nowadays, you spend $50, you get anything in the catalog for 50% off. Rochelle, what are the costs? Hello, sorry. These lucky numbers are going to cost you $12 each. And each item is valued at $25 to $48. So lady, that's almost like double to triple savings for that price point. So chances are you spend $12 and you get something for $48. Oh. And these products consist of past prints on current and past styles. So you really don't know what you're going to get. Super exciting. I can't wait to see what you girls are going to get. You can totally use these to qualify you for 50% off, but you cannot flip it around. You can't spend $50 and grab one of these mystery bundles at 50% off, which is like $6. You can't do that, okay, ladies? You can totally use these lucky numbers to qualify you for 50% off, but it cannot be your 50% off items. Another disclaimer is these items are mysteries, so you cannot personalize them, and all sales are final, all right? Remember, ladies, this is while supplies last, so just because it's in your cart doesn't mean it's going to be saved. Once your order is finalized, then you can say that lucky number is yours to keep. I will see you in our next episode of Bag Babe TV this Saturday, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. Till then, enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my latest video. Here is 31 News, and here is another video for you to totally check out. Bye, y'all.